after recently trying to use the turf carpet that I had gotten to run the micros on outside on the driveway, and it just wasn't quite cutting it. The next week or two, I ended up going to the store and I got me a bunch of wood. Since I don't have a large enough place to lay the carpet out, and the carpet itself wasn't quite enough space, I'm going to take all of these sheets of plywood and I'm going to lay them out so I'll have 4x8 sections of track that I can connect together and kind of have a modular layout of track like in the backyard. I'm going to store them in the shed for the time being. I did have to clean the shed out yesterday. There was a bunch of car parts and tires and kayaks and a whole bunch of junk in the shed that I got cleaned out yesterday. So today I'm going to get the truck out of the garage so that I can get this stuff out of the back of the garage and into the back, and I'm going to try laying out a track and kind of see what I can do from there. So here we go. All right, so I got all of the wood moved to the back. That was annoying. I got all the 2x4s, all that stuff in the shed. Now I'm going to try to lay it out and see how it's going to fit. I'm worried that the fire pit is going to be right in the middle of everything we want to do. So maybe I'll just have to do a raised platform on that one. But we'll see. Well, it's not pretty, but we'll see how this works. Not bad. Now once we get some carpet and we get some other jumps on here, it might not be too hurtful. So we just pulled the parts out of, some of the parts out of the garage and just put them on the driver real quick because it's nice. So we don't have a full circuit, but we'll at least get a little bit of running and jumping.
8.56, best lap. Jeremy, 9.64. Alan, 10.30. Jeremy, 9.77. Alan, 8.56. Jeremy, 7.74.
So we got the track out in the backyard. We got Alan over here. So now we got 3 cars getting ready to race as the inaugural race around the wonderful backyard track. It should be a lot of fun.
9.22, that's lap. Jason, 11.44. Jeremy, 11.45. Alan, 11.1, that's lap. Jeremy, 9.03. Jason, 10.27.
2, 1. Oh yeah, that's different.
That's way different. You just have to roll that.
New leader, Jeremy. Jeremy, 11.36. Best lap. Alan, 15.39. Jason, 17.45. Jeremy, 9.81. Best lap. Alan, 9.43. Alan, 8.43. Best lap. Jason, 14.61. Jeremy, 14.48. Alan, 1. Jason, 15.55. Jeremy, 8.08. Best lap.
8.08. Woo! Almost touched that 7.
Alan, 15.60. Jason, 13.10.
I did it.
Jeremy, 10.69.
With the double.
You did the double?
I was able to.
Jeremy,
Still sketchy every time.
Jason, 2 minutes left. Jason, 12.36. Jeremy, 7.87.
Yes!
Best lap.
I made a 7.
Jeremy, 8.29.
So just proof that reverse is
Reverse
about
is
as
just-
doable as the other way.
We just haven't had to practice on it.
Yeah.
All right, I have finished the last couple of final touches to the track. I've got these little bridges and a little hump there, and then I've got clear plexi on the triple so that we can actually see it when we're driving over it. So the track is ready to go, and we've got some ideas to expand in the future, but for now, yeah, that's been a really fun time building this track and a really fun time driving on it. I will probably do some more laps this evening. It's not too terribly cold, and thanks for watching.